Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Red Review channel. Unfortunately, today I have a little bit of bad news. We have been working on a project to bring to you guys about the Tesla OEM light bar install and how to do it, and we were going to show it off to you guys and let you see how it was. And it was a really great video. In fact, it was in the can and ready to go. We were getting ready to release it here in the next couple of days. In fact, today turned out to be a different day. That light bar is held down by glue. It's not bolted on or strapped down in any kind of way. And as I was rolling down the highway today, that glue came off. The light bar came flying off the truck at 55 miles an hour down the highway. Now, this is a pretty big piece of equipment that is now flying off a vehicle at 50-something miles an hour. The only thing that kept the light bar from hitting another vehicle and crashing are the wires that connect it to the truck. That's it. And these wires are not exactly super thick either. I mean, it's nothing to brag about here. They very easily could have snapped, or any number of things could have happened. So the plan right now is I'm going to get a pair of wire cutters, cut this off right here, throw it in the truck, tape it up, and call it a day. But this design is not working, folks. It did damage the truck a little bit, the way that it came off. But I am more concerned about the fact that this situation was extremely, I cannot overstate it, extremely dangerous. If that light bar had snapped off, it easily would have hit the car behind me, and at the very least would have caused major damage to their car, and quite probably caused an accident and possibly killed somebody. This is no laughing matter. This is not just a number to be chalked up on somebody's board. These are actual lives we are dealing with at this point. This message goes out directly to Elon. Stop worrying about migrants, stop worrying about tariffs, and stop kissing up to Donald. You have people out here potentially dying because you're too busy distracted with all of these other projects and not paying attention to what's going on at your host company. So my message to you is this: either give Trump and all of the other side projects up and concentrate on getting Tesla back on track, or resign as CEO, because now your actions or lack thereof are endangering people's lives. And today, one or more than that could have died from your negligence. Bottom line. Now, I love Tesla. I love the vehicles, but the quality control at this level is horrible. Elon, get back on your game or leave.